them in a thread bar. A thread bar. The place to go. Yung tiendesita. Sige nga, sabi mo, tiendesita. Tiendesita. Alawas. Lagay niya na sa bulsa niya yan. Huwag niyo na ito-tole, ha? Kasi pinahirapan kayo ng mga mami at kaladating nyo. Lagay sa bulsa. Sige, upo na kayo. Huwag niyo na ito-tole yan. Happy ka. Yan, happy ka. Okay? You okay? Don't give it back anymore. Okay? So right now, I'm going to do one of the great classes of magic. Okay? This one, the best part is trying to people making up the physical. Okay? You're fighting. Come down. And then, isip na yung mga people. Wait. Alright,
Ano? The good steak, tapos crispy papitas. Spaghetti. Fried.
Now, I am sure all of you have seen one like this. But I'm also sure you have seen a 3-ring test. Lahat kayo nakakita na ng ganito. Pero hindi yung magtatagduga. You have seen a lot more. Maybe 8, maybe 10, maybe 12.
Sige, pinangungulit.
I do this very well kasi sabi nila, magulo daw. Marami daw. Mabilis daw. Diba? At the matter of fact, after showing you this one, I'm going to